Today's recipe is Tiramisu Truffles. If you're new to my channel, welcome. Don't forget to subscribe. In a small bowl, dissolve 1 teaspoon instant coffee in 1/4 cup hot water. Set aside to cool completely. Crush 5 ounces or 140 grams ladyfingers. You can use a blender or food processor to crush the ladyfingers. It's about 1 3/4 cups when crushed. In a medium bowl, add 8 ounces or 1 cup mascarpone and 1 tablespoon powdered sugar. Mix together until smooth. Then add the dissolved coffee and 1 teaspoon vanilla. Mix until well incorporated. Add crushed ladyfingers and mix until well combined. Cover the bowl and freeze for 30 minutes. Scoop about 1 tablespoon mixture, then shape into a ball. Continue shaping the remaining mixture. Then roll in cocoa powder. Place them on mini cupcake liners. Refrigerate for at least 2 hours before serving. No mascarpone? No problem. You can substitute it with 1 8-ounce cream cheese, softened, and beat until creamy. Then add 2 tablespoons softened butter and 1/4 cup whipped cream. You can also substitute with all-purpose cream. Beat until mixture is smooth. This tiramisu truffle is so delicious and not overly sweet. What do you think about this recipe? Let me know in the comments. Recipe at PinoyCookingRecipes.com.